welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari. In today's video, we will be reviewing the new Colourpop Rock On palette. Just the packaging alone, it's so cute, but look at this color story. Y'all, this is it's a very basic, very basic eyeshadow palette, but very on trend with my mood right now because the looks that you can create with this are definitely giving daytime glam, vacation glam. Very cute, very gold, very warm. I love it. Love these tones. I already got my brush ready. I'm ready. Let's go ahead and get right into the review. So I'm hoping that this is the Colourpop quality that I've come to know and love. I hope that this is what this is because I'm super duper excited about this. I have so many palettes that I reach for every day, and I would love for this to be another one of them, but you know, we never know what we're gonna get with Colourpop. Let me get my mirror. Where is she? Honey. Oh, found it. Okay, so we're gonna get right into this look. Let's start with this shade right here. This is Rock My World. Not really sure what kind of brush this is. Just like some sort of cute blending brush. It's a fluffy blender. We're gonna start with this shade in the crease. Start kind of low, and I'm not gonna bring it all the way out. I'm just gonna bring it right here, and then we're gonna use something else on the edge. And so far, this shade is looking fantastic, amazing. She's gorgeous. I'm so used to these palettes not having shade names. I forgot this one is, did I tell you? This one's called Rock My World. Reminds me of Michael Jackson. Rock my world, you know you did. So next shade, let's go into Red Rocks right here. It's funny that they would call it Red Rocks because this shade is not red at all. It looks just like what you're seeing. Looking at the palette in here, it looks the camera's very clear is what I'm saying. It does not look red at all. It's more like a mauve pink. I'm gonna bring that in the crease and the outer edge right here and the outer V. And then I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that we used, You Rock My World, and then back in with Red Rocks. And you got, Colourpop has been on it lately because this blend is giving us what we deserve. It's giving us what we deserve on this fine afternoon. Fine afternoon. So already I'm loving the way that this is blending together. We do have a ton of shimmers, and we still have this dark tone right here at the bottom that I want to use. This one is Trail Mix right here. We're definitely going to use that one, but first I want to figure out what we're going to use, which shade we're going to use on the lid, because these two right here are looking very shimmery. Now Road Trippin' is actually what I would probably do on a regular day, but since we're reviewing it, then we'll turn it up a bit. And this shade right here, this is Fave Hike. That one looks like one of those matte shades that gives us a bunch of glitter like in the pan, but then when you blend it out, there's not really much. Even though I do love those shades, I think we're gonna skip that one today, and we're gonna go ahead and go into Trail Mix real quick, and then we'll use some of these shades for the lid. I still don't exactly know which one, but we'll figure it out when we get there. We always do. It always comes together in the end. Well, most times, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm taking that shade Trail Mix in the outer V and lower on the crease. Blending up. And this is a e.l.f. brush that I'm using. It's a small crease brush. I feel like we always know what kind of quality we're getting whenever the darker shades come into play and it's time to blend those out. Because if it starts making stuff patchy, I'm always like, great, that sucks. But this is not doing that. These are blending together so well. Y'all, that's looking, it's gonna be cute today. Real cute. We're gonna be real cute today. Okay, so it's definitely giving. So for our lid shade, we're actually just gonna go ahead and use this shade. I know I said I wasn't gonna do that, but we are gonna do that today. I am gonna swatch these, so the swatches will be in the shorts like usual, so we'll see what all the shades look like, but I just don't really have time to try to play with something extra today. So we're gonna be a little bit extra, but not too much. We're gonna go ahead and go into the shade right here. This is Road Trippin', and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Depending on how this shade looks, then We might use something else, but oh no, honey, we are using this and this only, because this shade right here, hun, we made the right choice today. This shade is actually like so gorgeous. It's definitely giving, it's giving daytime baddie, daytime glam, daytime I really cared about coming to work today, because that's where I'm going. If I can be honest with you guys for a second, I'm so tired of having to go to work. Like, so tired of having to go to work. I'm so tired of having to pay for my own things. We're gonna go ahead and go into vortex now, by the way. I'm tired of having to pay for my own things. I'm tired of having to, why wasn't I born rich? Why wasn't I born with endless amounts of money? I think about this often, because I'm like, girl, like, we need to win the lottery. We need to make it big on YouTube. We need to do something, because this going to work every day is getting so ghetto. It's like, girl, so there's always something to do. It's like, why is that happening? I just feel like that's not the life that I deserve to live. I deserve to like have homes in other places, and I would be like really good about giving back. You guys know I love to do a good giveaway. I'd be really good at giving back and helping people in need. I would do all the right things. Like when they talk about people who have won the lottery and they blow through all their money, I'm like, girl, I would love the chance to see what I would do, because I know I wouldn't do that. I just want to be like free enough to be able to move how I want. Like if I want to get up, like if I want to take my kids to, if I want to take everybody to Dubai for the holidays or something, like I want to be able to do that, or just, you know, just be able to have like pure freedom, pure D freedom. That's the kind of luxury I want. Not have to clock in and out and like, go to work, yuck. So thanks for letting me like ramble about that, about not wanting to go to work every day. So this look is actually looking pretty gorge. I thought I was gonna use this pencil as my eyeliner today, but it turns out I will not be. I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. This is just a black pencil. I don't remember the brand. I'll tell you in a second. So this is by Doll Paint. It's the black gel liner. Unfortunately, it's not gliding on well enough for me to use it on the top of my lid. So I'm gonna grab something else. I'm gonna add liner, lashes, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. It's very everyday, casual, cute. Y'all, I love this palette. Love it. Love it. You guys walk, don't run. Or no, backwards. You guys run, don't walk to your nearest Ulta. $14. $14 sounds right. $14 for this cute little everyday palette, and y'all, I think we need it. This is pretty much how I look every day. Like whenever I'm getting ready to go to work. Not as glam, but pretty much, yeah, this is my everyday look. I think it's giving. I think it's giving like, she's cute. She's cute. Y'all, let me know what you think about the look in the comment section below. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and you will see my face in the next one.